massive rain bomb collided with the island of Kauai, dumping over 60 inches of water in less than 24 hours. More water in that time frame than ever recorded before. Communities across the island were flooded. Over a year later, recovery and efforts to rebuild are still underway. These are strong communities and very resilient people. This is their story of recovery, resiliency, and opportunity.
Boom! Hard rain, very hard. I mean, heavy, big, big rain. Yeah, hard rain.
Waterfall just pouring off the mountain. Like everywhere coming off the mountain looked like there was waterfalls. And I don't think I've seen that much water pouring off that point ever in my life.
Dumping rain like our house was underneath a shower. Lightning. It was terrifying.
And I've never experienced lightning or thunder like this, ever.
And you look up on the mountains, it just looks like a fire hydrant shooting off the mountain.
The floods out there, they call them 20-year floods, 50-year floods, 100-year floods. And no one's ever seen a 500-year flood, but I think I have.
Dad, are you okay? He says, no, water's coming all through the house, so.
I've never seen water move that fast.
It started raining harder and harder and harder and harder. And then within 3 hours, the water was to my deck.
All of a sudden, the other house on the property was like.
And I woke up to my bed getting pinned against the wall, and I was underwater.
That whole cliffside went, and it sounded like a freight train coming down the mountain. And I was downstairs, probably 100 feet away from it.
Up the hill, it had been a landslide and come down, and then it hit the house that was on the river and twisted the house, and the house was half sitting in the river, and the river was so high, of course, it was flowing through the house. And as far as I could see was water and rooftops of like, go get the jet skis that are at the lifeguards station. So that's what they did. They got the jet skis, put them on the main road, and that's how they got to people.
By the way, this is a kind of a resilient community. They already had an emergency plan together, right? I mean, and then they followed it.
But the outcome, no, it was what everybody did to make sure everybody was taken care of. Everybody.
These communities are still recovering. As the road opens, please tread lightly, be patient, and respectful.